Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best MacBooks and accessories for photo editing that are currently on the market. Whether you're a professional photographer, a content creator, or just someone who loves editing photos as a hobby, I've got you covered. We'll be looking at everything from budget-friendly options to premium devices that deliver top-tier performance. As always, you can find links to all the products in the description below. So grab a coffee and let's get started. Coming in at number 4, we have the Samsung T7 Portable SSD. While this isn't a MacBook, it's a fantastic accessory for those working in photo editing, especially if you need fast, reliable external storage. The T7 features read and write speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second, which makes transferring large RAW files or high-resolution photos a breeze. The design is sleek and compact, weighing just over 2 ounces and fitting easily in your pocket or camera bag. It's also built to last, with shock resistance and protection against drops up to 6 feet. This makes it perfect for on-the-go creators who need to back up their work from the field. While it's not specifically optimized for Mac, it's compatible with virtually any device, including MacBooks, PCs, and even smartphones. For just $79.99, this SSD offers great value for the price, especially if you're working with limited internal storage on your MacBook. The downside? At 1 terabyte, it may not be enough for professionals dealing with massive libraries of images. Still, for its price and portability, it's an excellent addition to your editing setup. Pros include fast speeds and a durable build. The con? Limited storage capacity compared to higher-end SSDs. At number 3, we have the Microsoft Surface Laptop 2024. While this isn't a MacBook, it's an intriguing alternative worth considering. It boasts a 13.8-inch touchscreen display with HDR, which provides vibrant and detailed visuals, great for photo editing. Powered by the Snapdragon X Plus processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop delivers excellent performance for handling creative software like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom. The Surface Laptop has some standout features, such as AI-powered tools through Windows 11 Copilot+, which allow you to automate tasks, enhance video calls, and even generate art from text prompts. The battery life is exceptional, lasting up to 20 hours on a single charge, so you can edit all day without worrying about plugging in. However, its 256 gigabytes of SSD storage is a bit limited for heavy-duty photo editing workflows, particularly if you're storing large libraries of raw images. This is a great choice for those who might be open to switching from macOS to Windows, or photographers who want a portable, AI-enhanced editing machine. The pros? AI features, touchscreen versatility, and incredible battery life. The cons? Limited storage and not being part of the Apple ecosystem. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Apple 2023 MacBook Pro with the M2 Max chip. This is a powerhouse designed for professionals who need top-tier performance for tasks like photo editing, video rendering, and more. The M2 Max chip, paired with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 4 terabyte SSD, ensures that you'll have all the speed and storage you need to tackle even the most demanding workflows. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is a standout feature, offering ultra-accurate color reproduction and up to 1,600 nits of peak brightness. This makes it perfect for editing and grading images with precision. Add to that the 18-hour battery life, versatile connectivity options, and macOS Ventura, and you've got a machine that's built for serious creators. While the price isn't listed, it's clear this is a premium product targeted at professionals. The only downside? It's heavy at 9 pounds, which makes portability a bit of a challenge. But if you're looking for unparalleled performance and you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem, this MacBook Pro is hard to beat. Pros include a stunning display, incredible performance, and ample storage. The con? It's bulky and likely expensive. Finally, at number 1, we have the crucial X9 Pro for Mac 2 terabyte portable SSD. This is the ultimate accessory for photo editors who need fast, reliable storage optimized specifically for Apple devices. With read and write speeds of up to 1,050 megabytes per second, it ensures you can transfer and access files quickly, whether you're working on a MacBook, iMac, or even an iPad Pro. The X9 Pro is built to withstand the rigors of a professional workflow. It features IP55 water and dust resistance and can survive drops from up to 7.5 feet, making it perfect for on-the-go creators. At just 1.34 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. Plus, it comes with bonus software like Mylio Photos Plus and Acronis True Image, which can streamline your photo management and backups. At $139.99, it's not the cheapest SSD on the market, but it offers excellent value for professionals who rely on fast, secure storage. The pros? Optimized for Apple devices, durable design, and bonus software. The con? It's slightly more expensive than similar SSDs, but the added features make it worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the best MacBook or accessory for your photo editing needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about the products we covered, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy editing.